So this is another DIY if you got strawberries. So our strawberries are going like berserk this year. They're doing really well. So in order for the birds to stay out, we put this netting my wife picked up. I believe it's just it's like a netting. Something you'd probably like a veil for a wedding dress or something. And we just put stakes in the ground and then just put little zip ties on it, and then we just put little clips along it. You can see them there. They stood all that long there. And we put the 3 stakes. We got there, and then there's 3 on that side as well, just to cover it so it keeps it from the birds getting the strawberries when they start to turn red. So we're gonna try it this year, and we're gonna see what happens. So anyway, if this helps keep the birds out of your strawberries, yeah, like, subscribe, share it, all that good stuff. Alright, as always, God bless, goodbye.